Hey, I'm Dave We Like, and in this video we're talking about the On Roku TV. It's a 24-inch model. It's 720p resolution, D-LED display. It says it's wireless streaming here, and that being said, it's got 3 HDMI inputs. So let's go ahead and open on up to see what else is included. So it looks like we have a USB port. There's the antenna cable, optical as well, and the HDMI 3 ports here, along with the headphone jack and reset button. We do have our composite cables, video, left and right audio, and here's our cord. Here's all that's included as well, our legs. We got 2 batteries, our screws, and the remote. It's a standard remote. Notice there's no microphone. And it can turn off the screen, I suppose, with that. There's the Netflix, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, and HBO Max. There are some volume controls at least, so that's good to see. We're gonna line up the stand. It says R as well as L, so make sure that you're looking for the R one. Okay, I've plugged it on in, and this is the boot up screen, so let's wait for it to begin. So let's start. Yep, US. We're gonna do this for home use. And so it's going to scan our network, and then let's insert the password. There's a little delay here between me pushing the buttons and it responding. And so now that we inserted the password, it is looking for an update. It was able to find the update, so it's now downloading it and installing. Now that the update has installed, we're going to enter our email address, and let's go ahead and check our inbox. This is what the email will look like, so we're going to activate the device. And next it's asking us to name the device. Sounds good with me. Which room is it located in? And then we can answer some questions to personalize or skip. Let's go ahead and skip. And we've got more information here. Just continue. And then free trials. We're going to just continue at the very bottom. All right, looks like our setup is complete. Okay, and now the Roku TV is downloading all the channels that are on my account. Now that that update is done, we can connect our devices, and I'm going to do this later. All done.
Let's get you streaming. Get to know your new Roku.
Doing a speed test. Let's see how fast it is. Around 204 megabits per second. That's pretty standard from what I've seen with all my Roku TVs in this location. I'm in the garage right now. You know, the Wi-Fi router is way past this wall, and you know, the house is detached from the garage, so a lot of space out there. Did a speed test, and we've got 38 megabits per second. We don't have voice search on the remote, but you can use the Roku mobile app, you know, on your iPhone or Android to do voice dictation here, but I've typed it on in, so we're gonna check out Picard. The video quality looks good, and the audio sounds fine too. So these are our settings. We've got sleep timer, where we can go ahead and turn the sleep timer on based on an amount of time. There are picture settings as well. We've got TV brightness. We've got picture mode, so we can go low power, movie, normal, sports, or vivid. You can also go picture size, so there's auto, direct, normal, stretch, zoom, micro contrast, so there's low, medium, and high. And then there's dynamic contrast, which is set to low, high, and off. There's also color temperature, so there's normal, warm, and cool. And then of course you can fine tune the pictures. So we've got backlight, brightness, contrast, sharpness, color, tint. Next up are our sound settings. So sound is normal. There's also speech, theater. There's big bass, high treble, music. Looks like the dialogue enhancement is only available for certain Dolby content. Then there's accessibility and captions. So you can turn on closed captioning. There's captioning track, there's audio track, screen reader, speech rate, screen reader volume, as well as screen reader shortcut. And then of course you can just turn off the display if you wanted to. On the On Roku TV, you'll get the volume button, channel buttons, as well as the mute and source, as well as power on the side. If you do have this On Roku TV, you can hook up better speakers with the Roku TV wireless soundbar, as well as there is the subwoofer that will hook on up to this. So in order to do that, you go to settings and you go to remotes and devices and you just go to speakers and you add a new device. It's that simple. You select your soundbar and then you select subwoofer. Obviously this soundbar is a little big for the 24-inch TV model, but you know, if you got another On that's slightly bigger, you might want to consider it.
According to recent data from the National Association of
You can totally hear the news perfectly fine. A lot of people might have this in their kitchen.
Button following the collapse of multiple U.S. banks.
This is our Roku TV, and then this is the On Roku TV. They're both the same exact size, 24 inches. I wanted to see what the two look like side by side, and I will go ahead and play some video content. Can you see a difference here? It's a little difficult to.
High surf advisory at the coast through tomorrow night. Wave heights could be up to 12 feet, believe it or not.
For today, coastal valleys near 60, scattered showers through the day, mountain snow mostly above 4,500 feet.
But above 5,000 feet is where we're going to see most accumulations, which could be up to about a foot.
Anyway, just because this is one of the cheapest Roku TVs out there, that doesn't mean it's that bad of a TV. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, as well as subscribe to this channel for more videos coming soon. Check out my other Roku videos right now.